Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. Alright, we're back again with another post-market video, another post-market analysis. Today we'll be going over the next few stocks that you should be watching for the next few days. And these stocks are actually from the stocks that y'all been asking about in the comment section of this morning video. Alright, so today was a great day. NIO and Tesla performed extremely well. If you go to the comment section of this morning's video, you can see that there is a lot of happy people in here. That's excellent. Nice job on 600% on NIO. That's really, really good. Another one. There you go. Another 600%. So people made money. That's really, really good. Yeah, so congratulations to everybody who was able to catch that move. So the very first one that we're going to talk about before we dive into here, apparently there's a stock that got annihilated. It's FSLY. So the stock dropped from 124 all the way down to $90. Okay, and I remember very well. Somebody asked about this. I think it was 2 days ago. And 2 days ago, I made a video about this stock and telling everybody about how the opportunity was here, but in this region there's a lot of short sellers being stacked up, and as you can see, it got rejected. Here's another sympathy move. It got rejected and annihilated throughout the entire day. So was this move predictable? In a way, kind of, but this violent move right here, nobody knows how fast something can drop. You can just know that it's gonna drop, and then the pace is kind of a surprise. So yeah, hopefully, to the person who asked about FSLY the last time, hopefully you didn't jump into this with calls or you weren't long bias on it, because if you look at it on a daily chart, like this thing is super extended. Like there's a bearish hammer right at the top, and this was definitely not something that you wanted to go long on. So hopefully you didn't get caught into that mess and lose all of your money. Like I promise you, everybody who bought calls in here, like those calls are exactly $0.00. Like they lost all of their money. Like I'm pretty sure like these calls, especially the ones that expire like Friday or even 2 weeks from now, like yeah, these are definitely worthless. So I just wanted to address this before we dive into you guys' questions. So the very first one that we're gonna talk about is where is it at? Denny's right here. Okay, DENN. And so far the stock is kind of like neutral. It's doing this bar and sideways trading, and it got earnings right around the corner on the 27th. So honestly, I don't think the stock is gonna go anywhere anytime soon. And plus, the volume is not like there isn't any significant increase in volume. It's just steady. It's actually decreasing, and the stock is just flat. So I have no clue where this thing is gonna go. Therefore, I'm not trading this thing. I'm staying away from it. I don't know where it's gonna go. So that's my thought on Denny's. The next one that we're going to talk about is this person is in danger. So we're gonna look at DDOG. All right, let's see what's going on with DDOG. I'm not too bearish on it. I'm not too bearish on it yet. Looking at it post market on a 5-minute chart. There we go. Okay, this is not looking good. Like this is definitely not looking good. There will be a continuation for sure. Like I'm very bearish now. Like now that I see this and I see this, you can expect the stock to open up like right around 107. And then if it doesn't make a move or any effort to go back up, the stock is gonna get annihilated all the way back down. So be very careful with this. Obviously, this is not a long for me. I don't chase stocks when they're like all the way up there. Like, yeah, no, I don't. I'm not getting into this. I'm not long biased on this at all. So be really careful with your money if you're involved with DDOG. Okay. So that is my thought on Datadog. The next stock that we're going to address is Etsy. Somebody else is concerned about Etsy, so let's take a peek at Etsy. The stock has been doing well until today. So if you look at it right now, it got annihilated throughout the entire day. It tried to recover and then it got annihilated again. So far, I'm not completely bearish on it yet. Not yet, but I'm not chasing the stock when it's up here like that. I really wouldn't. Like, do not be surprised to see the stock come back down. Like, do not be surprised. And there's a lot of opportunities out there. Again, this one had its run, and right now, it's looking like it wants to come back down. It's not really clear. I can't really give this a name. Like, it's not very obvious for me to know exactly that it's gonna crumble down. But at the same time, the odds of it going up is very, very slim. So again, keep this one on your watch list. It may be a short-in opportunity, who knows? So keep that one on your watch list as well. The next one that we're going to talk about is HYLN. So HYLN. I talked about this a while ago about the stock being annihilated, and I think I talked about it on the 8th, and the stock just kept dropping and dropping. But now it's looking kind of good. It's looking kind of good for one reason and for one reason only. Number one, there's a lot of short sellers in here. All of these people got trapped, and as soon as the stock opened higher, the stock popped. It tried to make a comeback down, but then again, it just kept rising. If you're a short seller right here, you should be terrified. If you're looking on the daily chart, yeah, they're trapped in here. Okay, and I would not be surprised to see the stock push up. How high is it gonna go? That's gonna be interesting. Like, I can't wait to see exactly how it's gonna open tomorrow. Like right now, it's at 29.55 aftermarket, and it closed at 29.14. So it's gonna be really interesting to see exactly how this stock plays out. The stock has options as well, so, and good volume too. So to me, the stock is not trash. This might be a good candidate. I would keep an eye on it, and honestly, I think you should too. So definitely keep an eye on this beaten down stock for the next few days to the next few weeks. It could rebound. I really think it could. So keep an eye on it. We'll see. Now, the very last stock, just so that I don't make this video too long. Not last stock. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna talk about Peloton, and then we're gonna talk about the last stock. So Peloton first. Yeah, the stock is very extended. Very, 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 very extended. And am I bearish on it? Kind of. But am I bearish on it as of right now? I'm waiting for the stock to do something first before I give that, like, yeah, the stock is going to tank. But yeah, right now I'm just neutral, just chilling on the sidelines until the stock shows me exactly what I want to see. And then I'll make another video about it. But as of right, like for beginners, do not chase. Don't chase. Do not chase. Okay. There's multiple stocks out there that offers more opportunities than this. Do not chase this on the way up just because it's looking like that. Okay. It's not guaranteed that it's gonna go even higher. Personally, as somebody who loves to short stocks, I would love to see the stock go up to 150. If it can just jump up to 150 tomorrow, that would be so great. Like that will be just, it will look so perfect if it went all the way up to 150. Honestly, why? Because I'm a short seller, and that's where I want to see the stock. So let's talk about the very last stock, which is, where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? It's somewhere around here. Where is it? There it is. Walmart. All right. And for those of you who have been following us on Instagram right here, Again, this is the Instagram page. If you're not following us on Instagram, definitely follow us on Patternology Lab. But in regards to Walmart, Walmart is the answer to this right here. I do post these scavenger hunts, these fun scavenger hunts for our followers on Instagram. And for those of you who were able to find this and DM me, that congratulations on making about 300 to 400% on your money. As you can see, the price was at 142 when I put this up. And if you look at Walmart on here, let me see. Yeah, the price was at 142.70, like 79, and the circle was right there. The stock went right into the price target today, and today was the time to sell. So for everybody who were able to find the stock and make money off of it, congratulations. All right, congratulations. So where is Walmart gonna go? Honestly, like I don't know. I have no clue. Like I don't know. What I knew for sure was this, and then after that, I have no idea. Like this is as far as the way I see it is, and then after that, I don't really care because I made my money on it. So we'll just see what happens next. Again, we'll just see what happens next. It could go higher. It could drop. It's not obvious right now. It used to be. So there you go. That is my honest opinion of Walmart. Again, if you got value from the video, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe. That way you don't miss out on the post-market and the pre-market video 15 minutes before the market opens. Also, if you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, there are step-by-step links in the description of the video as well. The first two links are to get signed up with Webull and with Robinhood. They do offer free stocks, 2 free stocks with Webull if you sign up, and 1 free stock with Robinhood as well. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. The links are right there, right at the top, right over here. And once again, my name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you tomorrow morning, 15 minutes before the market opens.